Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll be talking about important tools to start your sewing journey. Investing in a basic model of sewing machine is good enough to start. I started with a Singer Tradition, which cost me just under $300. Sharp scissors are very important for a seamless cutting experience. Keep separate scissors for paper cutting. Rotary cutters are good for precision cutting and gives a very clean edge to the fabric. If you can get one, it will be much better than scissors. Self-healing cutting mats are necessary if you are using rotary cutter to cut your fabrics. There are many types of rulers. A basic square ruler is a must. The rest, such as the hip curve, French curve, etc. are complementary. Add to your tools later. Get good quality threads for a seamless sewing experience. Get generic colors such as black, white, red, yellow, beige, etc. as they are very frequently used. Pins are very important, and it's very important to invest in a good quality ones. Especially for beginners, you cannot do without this. Pattern weights are important to prevent fabric from shifting while cutting. You can use your phone, books, pencil boxes, etc. if you don't want to invest in pattern weights. This is a very handy tool. For beginners tend to make more mistakes, it is a seam ripper that will help us undo all our errors. A very important tool if you're only doing alterations. So there, you don't need anything fancy to get started. Keep it simple. As you grow better, invest in other tools for seamless sewing. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe.